Welcome back, tech enthusiasts. Today, we're diving deep into a showdown between the OnePlus Nord 5 and the Xiaomi Poco F7. Both pack impressive specs, but which one truly stands out? We'll compare their displays, cameras, performance, CPUs, chipsets, batteries, selfie cams, build quality, memory, video capabilities, and, of course, price. Can the Nord 5's superior selfie camera and AMOLED display outshine the Poco F7's powerhouse Snapdragon 8S Gen 4 and massive battery? Or does Xiaomi's aggressive pricing make it the unbeatable choice? Stick around because the final question might just surprise you. Is the Poco F7 the flagship killer OnePlus didn't see coming? Both phones sport a 6.83-inch screen with nearly identical screen-to-body ratios, but the Poco F7 edges out slightly with 114.5 centimeters squared versus Nord 5's 113.3 centimeters squared, offering a marginally larger viewing area that enhances immersive experiences. The Nord 5 boasts a 50-megapixel wide lens with a larger 1.0 sensor and OIS, promising better low-light shots and stabilization compared to Poco F7's 50-megapixel sensor with smaller 0.8 megapixels, making Nord 5's main camera the more versatile shooter. Poco F7 dominates performance benchmarks with an AnTuTu score of over 2 million and stronger Geekbench results, making it the clear winner for users craving raw speed and gaming power. The Poco F7 CPU is clocked higher at 3.21 GHz on its Cortex-X4 core and features a more balanced multi-core setup, delivering superior processing muscle compared to the Nord 5's slightly lower clock speeds. Nord 5 offers a sharper pixel density, some 450 ppi, with a resolution of 1272 by 2800 pixels, slightly surpassing Poco F7's 1280 by 2700 pixels at some 447 ppi, which means crisper visuals for text and images. Poco F7 runs on the newer Snapdragon 8S Gen 4 chipset, giving it a technological edge in efficiency and future-proofing over Nord 5's Snapdragon 8S Gen 3. Poco F7's massive 6500 mAh battery crushes the Nord 5's 5200 mAh, promising significantly longer usage times ideal for heavy users and gamers. Nord 5 features a swift AMOLED panel with 144 Hz refresh rate and higher typical brightness 800 nits, compared to Poco F7's 120 Hz AMOLED, favoring smoother scrolling and better daylight visibility. Nord 5 leads with a 50-megapixel front camera versus Poco F7's 20-megapixel, delivering higher resolution selfies and better autofocus capabilities for crystal-clear self-portraits. Poco F7 offers a superior IP68 rating, meaning it can withstand immersion up to 1.5 meters for 30 minutes, whereas Nord 5's IP65 rating only protects against low-pressure water jets. Both offer robust options, but Nord 5 offers an 8GB RAM variant in addition to 12GB, giving users more flexibility depending on budget and multitasking needs. Poco F7 supports ultra-slow-motion video at 900 FPS, outpacing Nord 5's top 120 FPS, making it better suited for capturing dramatic action shots. Xiaomi Poco F7 comes in significantly cheaper, ranging from $450 to $550, while OnePlus Nord 5 sits at a premium $650, making price a major factor in decision-making.